Hi everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to replace a zipper like this with a brand new one. Get some more life out of a coat without any sewing. The first step that you're going to do is go to the store and find something that matches the style of coat you have. This one in particular is a Carhartt, so it's a heavy jacket. I recommend you take the coat in and compare the teeth size from the jacket to the zipper. After you verify that that matches, it's pretty simple. The only tools you're going to need is a pair of side cutters and some needle nose pliers. There's a little metal retaining clip at the edge of your zipper assembly. You're going to want to open that up a little bit so you can remove it. Sometimes they're a little stubborn, so you gotta make sure that they're opened up enough to come off, just like that. Then your zipper, you'll have to separate the two halves just like you would if you unzipped your jacket to take it off. And your zipper will come straight off. The reinstallation of the new zipper is the same exact process, so you'll do this 2 times, one on the zipper part and one on the coat. Putting it back on is a little bit different. You gotta kind of go at an angle and push it onto the fabric where that metal clip was that you removed. Once you get it on there, you'll just have to reinstall that metal clip and your coat will be as good as new. This zipper costs $2.93. So good luck on saving some money, and hopefully it helped you out. Thanks. Have a great day.